I'm Anthony Ford with Kong Armor. We're in Carollton, Kentucky. Lifetime Deck Armor, the deck rescue painters, traveled down here just south of Cincinnati to Carollton, Kentucky. And behind me here, we're calling this the 6-post deck. And I want to show you, it's a rescue situation. So let me zoom out here. We're gonna have to come in here, and what we're gonna do is we're going to replace all these posts on the front end of this deck system. Now, these are old 4x4 posts, and they're having a little bit of a hard time with the weight of this structure. There's 2x6, big 2x6s like this is what's up there on that floor, and this deck is heavy, 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 and they're spanned out really far, right? But look what's happened up here. Let me show you here. See if you can see it on camera. See over in here, this is sunk down, right? So we're getting ready to come in here. We've got to change this post out. Got to jack this up a couple notches and get this floor to even out. I'll take you up and show you. Can already see it starting to go down here. Look, you can really tell from the top side, obviously. It's all angled down like that here, right from about that post right there back, and this is all angled downwards. Bad deal. Back here it's even Steven, right? But when you look at it there, it's all dipped down, and that's from that post sinking down. And so we're going to come in, we're going to jack that up. We're going to get that replaced, and what I'm coming in with are 6x6s. So I'm taking these old 4x4s out of here, and I'm bringing in 6x6s. And instead of doing the 4 across there, we're going to do 6 of them and tighten this up and make this to where they don't have to deal with this again. So like for like, I'm not changing anything other than adding 2 posts. That's it. Not rebuilding the structure, not doing any of that. I'm gonna come in, gonna jack this up real nice and safe like, and we're gonna drop a 6x6 here. Boom. Right, once that's evened out, we'll drop a 6x6 there. Down through here, we're gonna pull this one, put a 6x6 there. Then in between these 2 spans will be an addition of a 6x6. Pull this out, 6x6. Addition of a 6x6. This one here, check this out. Busted up there. Look at that. People message me a lot and ask me about when they should be worried about their deck post checking. This is something I would be worried about, right? The weight of this structure is just massive. But what I think this is I think that sinking down there has caused a lot of stress on this back end that's trying to hold this here. And I think it's busted this up here. I mean, it's splintered out and everything. Look. Look at that. So that is actually being held on by a 2x2. Half of that 4x4 at the top is gone. So you got a 2x2 sitting there. So we got to get that out. And we're calling it the 6-post deck because we're coming in with 6 brand new posts. Now, past that, we're still talking about just an unbelievable deck rescue situation with peeling bare deck over, loose wobbly rails, stairs that are loose and wobbly and old. Look, so that you're still in a heck of a deck rescue situation, restoration situation down here that we got to tackle. And then after that's done, then we got to come in, bring the Lifetime Deck Armor system in here, the most advanced deck resurfacing coating on the planet, and resurface all this and bring it back to life. So this is a massive rescue project. Now look, you see all this wobbling? We're gonna take that out of there. We're gonna tighten that up. So you guys get up here. These are old 2x6s, and look, we're talking, get your finger down in there. Look at that. You guys want to see what a severely weathered deck looks like? This is what a severely weathered deck looks like. 2x6s weather way more than these standard deck boards do here. As you can see, the good thing about them is they're thick, they're chunky, and yeah, they're heavy, but they can be resurfaced over and over and over and over again. So we're going to come in here and pull the bad ones out. We're going to straighten up these rail systems, tighten them up, get them fixed up, get them restored. Same thing with the steps, all that. And then there's your peeling bare deck over. We're going to come in and do the peeling bare deck over lockdown encapsulation. And you guys are going to be shocked at just how well Kong, the thick build, the ultra tough, how well it actually, this weathered Carollton, Kentucky deck system, and I'm talking severely weathered, dilapidated deck system down here in Carollton, how well it brings it roaring back to life. And I'm going to show you that even the most dilapidated structures don't need replacement. You've never needed replacement. I'm going to show you how we bring them back to life, make them strong, sound, and indefinitely viable again. And we're going to save this homeowner here about 40 G's. Stand by for lockdown, stand by encapsulation, and get ready to witness the almighty resurfacing power of the world's toughest deck armor, Kong armor, lifetime deck armor. See ya.